Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking to the guys, telling you how to handle your woman when she's in a very bad mood. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. So let's get into this video. Now, in most cases, women have mood swings. We do have a lot of mood swings. And oftentimes, she gets really mad and she's acting all crazy. And the brother is like, oh my God, what is it now? What can I do? You get confused on how to handle her because she's all over the place. Now listen, when she is mad and shouting at you, very erratic, with tears in her eyes, whatever is happening is really hurting her so deep. Do not ignore her and do not downplay whatever is happening. Do this. Get closer to her. Hold her hand. Do not explain anything to her at this moment. Do not talk at this moment. You will make her more furious. Just hold her. Let her try to pull away. Hold her tighter. Hug her. Let her smell your perfume. Keep her tight there for 5 to 10 minutes. Then slowly slide your head and kiss her on the neck. Let her hear your heartbeat. Let her look in your eyes. Look at her straight in her eyes. Then slowly wipe away those tears on her eyes, on her face. Do this with your 5th baby finger. Tell her words like, babe, I'm sorry. I never meant to break your heart. Use your deepest, sexiest voice saying these words. And that moment when she tries to reply, to talk back, just lean in and close your mouth on hers with a yummy kiss. Then whisper in her ears with that deepest, sexiest voice, I love you. Say it multiple times, 4, 5, 3 times. I love you. Throw away the pride. At this moment, be as vulnerable as possible and apologize with deepest sincerity. And move on to another level, bro. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. To talk to a counselor, go to noraarake.com/booking. To purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.